All right, well, we are here in this store, and I noticed on this piece of paper, it says, well, one, there's a cool website there, but it says there's a cool elevator back there, so I guess we need to go check that out. Oh, would you look at that? The random text on the paper is right. There's a Thyssenkrupp. This actually is, I filmed this back in 2017. This was the old Ladue news building, at least that's what me and Andrew thought it was. Andrew said there was a Haughton in here, and we found this. I have not ridden this since 2017, so here we go up to 2. This thing is in basically brand new condition. This is one of those places, if you didn't know there was an elevator here, you would never know there was an elevator here. I mean,
It just looks like a normal.
This thing is very hidden away. Again, it's in great condition. It's nice to see it's still hanging out back here. I also like this extra big call button. All right.
Half
Well,
of me wonders if the original call button was bigger, and they used that to cover.
probably not. I think this was a rip, like they ripped out the old one and put this in, but it's hard to say. Either way, the text on the paper was accurate. Cool elevator.